guys, welcome to another video from HCG. Today we'll be reviewing one of our advanced gaming edition computers. So, hope you like it, man. Let's take a look inside. And remember, when removing the side panel, the connector for the side fan, you gotta be careful with that because you may rip it off. So let's check it out. Now we want to see inside. Okay, so let's see what we got here. First, let's start with the CPU. We use the i5 4670K, 3.4 GHz, quad core, 6 MB cache L3. So here we got the EVGA GTX 760 super clock with the ACX cooler, which is very good for gaming. It keeps your temperature around 60 degrees at the highest. So right here we got 16 gigabytes of RAM memory from Corsair, 1600 megahertz. You don't want to go higher than that, just to keep it stable. Alright, so right here we got the Corsair CX600 power supply. Just the right amount to handle the GTX 760 graphics card. Right here, I don't know if you can see, we got the Samsung SSD 120 gigabytes solid state drive for boot. And right here we got the Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive for storage. So let's take a look in the front. Alright, let's see the front now. Right here we got the temperatures for the CPU, hard drive, and the system. Let's take a look inside. We use the LG Super Multi-Drive Blu-ray rewriter 16X. Amazing drive, can handle 3D. Alright. Right here on the side, we got two USB 2.0, the mic and the headset, and the eSATA. Okay, so now let's take a closer look in the back. Right here, it's always mouse and keyboard, two USB 2.0, four USB 3.0. We got the optical audio, PDF, the DVI, digital analog VGA, HDMI, all the analog audio here. And the most important part for gaming, we got it right here. We have the killer E2200 gigabit LAN, which prioritize your packets for gaming. So, you know, to avoid any lag compared to regular gigabit LAN. Also, I forgot something. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's what I forgot. You can see where it says Audio Boost. That's a Sound Blaster Cinema that will give you realistic surround sound and the ability to clearly hear specific sounds in gaming environments. You know, make your ears the decisive tool on the battlefield for steps and other sounds that you won't be able to hear with standard audio. And that's a pretty nice feature for gamers. I love it, you know. So I hope you like it too. And don't forget that you may also want to go with the OC Gen 4 from MSI. That will supercharge your gaming experience, basically. Alright. So now, guys, we'll be looking at video performance. So we got a little short clip from Unigine benchmark from Heaven. So check it out and see the scores. It's pretty nice. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon on our next update. We'll be reviewing, as soon as we get another build, we'll be reviewing too, so pretty nice computer, I love it. Hope you love it too, man.